Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the microphone is recognized and prioritized. Open sound settings, set your mic as default device and default communication device so apps can access it. Then open Device Manager, expand audio inputs and outputs, right-click your mic, and choose Update Driver or Uninstall, then scan for hardware changes. That forces Windows to reload a clean driver. Once done, go to the mic properties and disable enhancements and exclusive mode to prevent apps from blocking audio stream. Next, make sure Windows and the specific app are allowed to use your microphone. In Privacy right arrow microphone, turn on Allow access for the device and allow apps to access your microphone. This prevents silent denials. Then return to Sound Control Panel, select Recording, open Properties, set sensible levels and mic boost so the input isn't muted or clipped. Once configured, test in Voice Recorder to isolate OSVS app issues. And if the recorder works, pick the correct input inside the target app. Finish by restarting core services to apply changes. Open services, restart Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder so drivers and settings reload cleanly. If problems persist, run the built-in recording troubleshooter. It auto-checks drivers, permissions, and common conflicts. If the troubleshooter doesn't fix it, swap the microphone or plug into a different USB port to rule out hardware or port power issues. This single swap often reveals whether the fault is physical or software-based.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.